So hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss a problem from Codeforces Round 958 Division 2. Okay, so this is the A problem from the contest, that is split the multiset. So this is the problem. Let's see the problem statement here. So in the problem, we have a multiset of numbers in which there can be equal elements and the order of the numbers does not matter. Okay, so first of all, let me have my pen here. Okay, so what is a multiset? Basically, it is a set of numbers in which there can be equal elements as well. Okay, and the order of the number does not matter. For example, we have this as a multiset. Order does not matter. Also, duplicates element can also be present. Then it is called what a multiset according to this statement. Okay, now you have a multiset S. Initially, we have a multiset S, and the multiset contain only one positive integer, that is what n. Initially, the multiset contains only n. All right. Now, what next? So we have what a multiset that contain n. Additionally, there is a given positive integer k. Okay. In one operation, you can select any positive integer u in S and remove the copy of u from S, then insert no more than k positive integers into S. Okay. So that the sum of the inserted integers what equal to u. Okay. So let's see what is the problem exactly saying to us. So initially we have a multiset and it contain any number that is n. Okay, what we need to do, what is our task, we just need to do what, see, in one operation we can select any integer u and okay, we can select any integer u in S and remove one copy of u from S. We need to select the integer u and it should be from what us basically multiset. Okay, I will select any integer from the multiset, then remove that element from the multiset and insert uh, at most k element such that their sum equal to what u. Okay, so to make it more clear, let's take one. All right, so let's take this example where I have what n is equal to what 6 and my k is equal to what 3. And my task is to perform what? Make all the elements in the multiset was 1. All right, so this is what we need to do. We have given n, we have given k. How we will going to proceed this? So you must be thinking that our k is what? 3. So do one thing, remove 6 from the set and insert 3 2's in place of it. All right. Let's do the same thing. So I have 2. How many operation till now done? Only one operation I have done. Okay. Now my task is to make all the elements one. So you must be thinking that remove two from the set and add two ones in place of it. Okay. So after doing this, it will become what? One. Okay. Do the same task for this two as well. Do the same task for this two as well. Okay. So you have observed what? Here the number of tasks is what? 3 plus this one, yani ki a total number of 4 tasks is performed. Okay, so this is a possible answer, but what we need to find, we need to find the minimum number of operations. Okay, remember, we need to find the minimum number of operations. So how can I find the minimum number of operation? To find, you need to look carefully. See, here the k is 3. We can remove at most k element. Sorry, we can insert at most k element. There's no need to insert at least exactly k. Okay. So what I'm going to do, in place of 6, what I can do is simply insert two threes. Okay. And after this, divide these threes into ones, three ones. So for this, how many number of operations have been required? First operation here and the second operation is here, and for this as well. So the total number of three operations is required, and initially it was required how many? Four, and I have minimized this to what? Three. Okay, so I think the approach for the problem, I think the problem statement is clear to you. Will let's discuss the approach for the problem. Okay, so let's take an example 5 2. Here n is what? 5. Means initially we have 5 into our multiset. Okay. And k is what? 2. Means I can insert at most 2 element when I'm going to remove any element from the multiset. Okay, now I think it is clear. Okay. What I'm going to do? I'm going to remove 5 from the multiset. And since my target is to make all the elements into the multiset what? 1. Okay? I want to make all the elements into multiset is equal to 1. How can I make it? If in place of 5, I do insert 1 and 4. Okay. So number of operation till now used 1, all right. And now multiset is something like this. And my now it is already 1, so there's no need to do anything for this. Now I'm going to look for this. Okay. How can I make 4 equal to 1? Simply divide this multiset into what? This part. Simply divide this 4 into 1 and 3 part. Okay. And now number of operation till now uses what? 2. Proceed with the same. 1 1. Now I'm going to what? Divide this 3 into 1 and 2. You can see the sum is equal to what? 3. Simply erase 3 from the multiset and insert 1 and 2 in place of it, and these element will as it is. Okay. Now my new multiset is this. And how many operations used till now? It's 3 only. Alright. Do again. I wanna make this to what? 1. So now my now I reach the target. Okay. Now all the elements into my multiset is equal to what? 1. This is what I wanna achieve. So here you can see I got 4 number of operation for this case as well. I think 4 or 3. 4 number of operations. Alright. So what next we need to do? I think I did something wrong. Okay. So see, I think the approaches are clear. What exactly I will always try to do is, no matter what is the element present into a multiset, I'm gonna divide this element into what? A 1 and 4 type. Simply divide into what? 1 and n minus 1. Okay. Simply divide the element into multiset to what? 1 and n minus 1 combinations. As simple as that. So here I have 5, so it will be divided into combination of what? 1 and 4. Then I have 4, then I'm going to divide the 4 into combination of what? 1 and 3, and so on. Okay, so I think the approach for the problem would be clear to you. Now what is the code for it? Is very easy code. You can do this in constant time as well, but to make it easier, I like just run a loop and did the same calculation. So what I'm doing is I'm simply having a value of n. Let's say I have the value of n is 6, and my k is what? 2. Okay. So no, let's take the previous example. That was 5. Okay. And my k was what? Here 2. Okay. So how the things will gonna proceed for this? Initially I have 5, my k is what? 2. So what I'm doing is n minus equal to k minus 1, means 5 minus 1. It will become what? 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay, so number of operations 4. So this is what exactly the code is giving to me answer. Okay. So this is how the problem was done. So I think now the explanation for the problem is clear to you. So if you okay. So if you want to check out the code for each problems, so I have added the codes for ABC problems here along with the comment. So you can check the codes from this website. Okay. So the website, you will find the link in the description.